View XML file. The purpose of an XML file is to store data and to carry data for all of our testing. We see a tag for suite, a tag for test, a tag for class, and a tag for methods. A suite can have one or more tests. A test can have one or more classes, and a class can have one or more methods. The XML file gives us a picture on why the annotations execute in a particular order. Let's run our test suite. We see the same output. It's the same output because this execution has one test tag. We see before suite, before test, before class, before method, executes before both test methods, search for customer and search for product. Then the after method executes after both test methods. Next is after class, after test, and after suite. Do you see how the execution order is consistent with the XML file? Let's look at an XML file that has two test tags. This XML file does not include the test methods together. We see the first test name is search for a customer. And the second test name is search for a product. Let's run. The output is different. This time, our execution does not immediately sign back into the application after signing out of the application. Now, the execution processes after class close test application and after test close Chrome after signing out. Why? Because in the XML file, the test methods are not included in the same class. Therefore, execution will not sign back in to start our next test. Notice Chrome is still set up after executing before suite. That means the after suite annotation is the only annotation that have not been executed. That completes searching for a customer. Next is search for a product, which starts with before test, open Chrome, before class, open test application, then before method, sign in, and search for a product. Finally, after method, signs out, after class, close test application, after test, close Chrome. Now, after suite, clean up all cookies from Chrome. In reality, we probably would not use 4 before configuration annotations and 4 after configuration annotations. However, I wanted you to see how the XML file is connected to the annotations and how the XML file allows us to execute the same methods in one test or more than one test.